And what's the human brain powered on? Basically flat whites and avocado. Shout out to the human brain. It really is incredible. So ChatGPT has 1 trillion synapses or connections. Any idea how many the human brain has? 100 trillion. So ChatGPT has 1% of the brain capacity that you have. And so in terms of storage space, the human brain has 249,000% more storage space than ChatGPT, 1 petabyte. And ChatGPT uses 4,000% more energy per thought than the human brain. And what's the human brain powered on? Basically flat whites and avocado. How does it work? It doesn't make any sense. The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe. Do you know that? So what's between your ears is literally a miracle, making you a miracle of the universe.